Good evening, Mananda. I discussed topic about the digital image processing. So, what is the digital image processing? The digital image process is the collection of the pixels of the object is called digital image. The image can be processed as image recognition, enhancement, reformation. Next one, compression and enhancement. So, techniques will be having the image signal processing. So, the image is depend upon the human eye is sees the one object in the form of the light. The light will be passing through our objective. So, the objective is that is the accreditation. Accreditation is the seeing the objective. So the enhancement is the our what is the length and width enhancement, the two-dimensional view. So represented the x and y axis in the form of the pixels. So the pixel will be so in two-dimensional view. So f of x is the function. So f of x is the some constant into the summation of the all the pixels, the representation in x comma y coordinates. So the collection of the all pixels is from the one image. The mathematically so used to the zeros and ones, the objective so available in the position of the one, that is the logic one. So the objective is absent, that is the zero, is the formation. That is also having one, that is no objective is zero. So like this way, so the mathematically represented the image in the form of zeros and ones, that is the digital image formation. So that is used to the our day by day life medical, the x-rays. The x-rays is the light passing to the our body. So the body having reflected to the one objective. So that is having any mistakes will be having the our human body. The not penetrate the our light. So some part. For example, so this is the body. So one defect will be there in the position. The light passing to the that way. So the black will be occurred. So the black will be occurred. That is the damage will be occurring at the part of the our human. So the in the application of the our medical media. So the digital image, so our photos, mementos will be taken same. The one slash will be there. Okay. So objective will be in x-axis and y-axis. We can take our photograph. The networking purpose also used to the image signal processing. So that is main new application